Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Have you always wanted to wake up with a view of the ocean? Well, now you can. Nestled in the upscale community of Spring Valley, Tower Isle, St. Mary, is this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property. This home sits on approximately a third of an acre as an open concept living, dining, kitchen with a separate entertainment room area on the main level. Also on the main level is a large balcony where you can enjoy spectacular 180 degrees ocean views. The second level contains a 2-bedroom, both with ensuite bathrooms, a kitchen, and an open living and dining area. The possibilities are endless. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.